So we are on board, heading to Dubai. We are transiting there and wait for 4 hours and then head to KK's. So today's video is taking us to Maldives, and we are going to be here for 3 days for my friend's birthday. Stay tuned, do not go anywhere. I know you will enjoy this one. You go first. Yeah, you can Yay! Let me start from here. Oh my god! Look at the bottom. I came with me. Prepare to be sick of me. Look at the room. This is very beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And oh my goodness, this is, you see, there's just a few steps between here and the sea, and the entire place is my face is so tired. I left Ghana at 5 p.m. I got here, what time is it? Yeah, it's almost 6 here, but it's 1 p.m. in Ghana. So this is their breakfast setup, and their food is amazing. Their food is nice. I think I use amazing a lot because I mean, why not, right? And oh, that's the birthday girl. Say hi. Hi. And here is the lagoon restaurants. Thank you too. You need a buggy to go back? Yes, we do. Sure. We'll be back. Okay, so they give you a baggie to, you know, use around the resort because the place is big. You can't just be walking. The baggie is a little shaky. Let me turn it. You know. And these are called their water pillars. Yeah. We will be here for them. I'm using my tool. I didn't really show you guys around. So this is the pool shower. This is our personal pool. Let me show you the backyard and the cabana if you want to see what's going on. People are skiing, and every day you have 1 hour canoeing time, which is complimentary with your booking. You see how lovely this side is. So this place is the beachfront, but we booked 1 room on the beach, water villa, for the birthday. So we will move there and I'll show you around. But I love here more than that place because there are unending spots to take gorgeous pictures. The place is too beautiful. So it's lunchtime and I missed my friend. We missed places, and I mean some parts of the resort you can get internet, so we lost touch. And I'm in a different restaurant, and here I'm the only brown person here, and they're looking at me like, who the hell is that? One advice to you: if you're a black person, never come here alone. I mean, if you're with your friend, your husband, your boyfriend, that's fine. 90% of these people here are racist. Like, they give you that look like as if you didn't pay to come here. we didn't want to come here and not experience the water bill, so we booked this room for a day. This place is on the water, so we're just checking in for a day and go back to our beachfront house, which is expensive like than all the places here. Yes.
Oh, you keep that one even better. Yeah. Oh. That's what I tell you how to. Okay.
And because it's a birthday, see that. Over here, where the room is inside there. And hey, it's always good to raise a glass. Cheers! Cheers to long life, health, and prosperity. So this place is basically a swimsuit area because it's just water, more water, and water. So this is our morning breakfast, our breakfast basket. Have a feed. Come here and you want to have the breakfast in a basket, you have to call and order for it. That's not complimentary. You pay for that separately because it's not on the house. I love how green the water is. Look at that. Not a single jet. Like no jet. So clean. Just say, I'ma say hi. So today we are going for canoeing. Stay tuned. Okay, so before you go for the canoeing, you have to fill a form. So, my jacket here. Okay, thank you. One hour for canoeing. What would I be doing on the sea? I am not saying that we will do 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay. Okay.
My name is Ali. Okay.
Okay,
so
hi
I'll
Ali.
explain you where you can do the canoe. Okay.
Okay.
So from the back, this is the water sports area. We are here.
Okay.
And do you see these yellow dots over here? Which indicates there are the rocks over there.
Okay.
And this is the main jetty walkway.
Okay.
You can stay inside the jetty and inside of the rocks.
Okay.
Inside. And here is the pool area. You can keep like 10-meter distance from here.
Okay.
You can start from here and do the canoeing over here and try to come back over here.
Okay.
And these 4 bedrooms over here indicates the jet ski area, so don't go there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
My only problem is we don't stay on there for 1 hour. I cannot.
Okay. It's okay.
I mean, we cannot. Not just me. We can do 20 minutes. Okay, so one more question. How shaky is the canoe? How shaky is it?
Actually for today the water is really
Calm, so okay.
Yeah. So I think it will be okay. But if it gets windy, there will be waves. So it's not gonna be.
When it gets windy, please, we turn around. Thank you very much. Canoeing time. So apparently, they don't do the canoeing for you. You do it yourself, please. I'm from Africa. I'm not about to die here. So just sit on it for like 5 minutes and get off it. I can't do it. I've not done it before. Look at that. So we actually thought the canoeing was going to be scary or difficult, but it's actually easy to do it, and it gets more fun as you do it. But we didn't do it for long because we are still pharaohs. Now it's time to jet ski. We have a spa booked, which is complimentary with our booking, and we are going in there. So we are in here waiting to be taken in, and the place, I mean, it's just nice and serene. The environment is even nice before you even enter. This place is paradise. It's actually paradise, like they call it. Okay.
And here you can sit on the side benches.
Okay.
And you can do touring. Only in here we have the timer. This is a 15-minute hourglass timer.
Okay, so it's time for us.
So when you come inside, you can turn
You turn it, and then when it turns, then we go.
It's moving, right? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Here you can sit.
And in the steam for any minutes you want. And after you sweat so much. Time, and there is crazy variety here. This is an Egyptian shayad ear fish. I'm going to try it. I don't know. Okay, so this is a beef lasagna. I'm going to try it. Variety is the speech of life. My plate is just a mixture of things. Lasagna here. I made my own salad. I'm coming for chicken. Asian soup. Non-vegetable.
Yeah.
What? Non-vegetarian.
Vegetarian also have it.
Okay.
Veg and non-veg also.
Okay, so no meat in there?
No, separate.
Okay, all right. So this is a glass noodle. I hope I like it. Just a little, just. If I get a running tummy too, I have Pepto-Bismol with me. Their variety is crazy. I'm going to go all the way here. Here for her birthday surprise. She doesn't know. So you guys, stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Hey, birthday girl. Aww. You see? Happy birthday, mommy. Thank you. But this is the best vacation so far. Like, I'm lost for words. Maldives is so beautiful and amazing. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Light and love to you all. Same time next week Sunday. Like, share, comment, and hit the sub button if you haven't, because there is more beautiful content coming up.